Hello everybody, thank you for watching this video. I'm making this video as an attempt to basically explain exactly what we have when it comes to Flash cryptocurrency, because a lot of people tend to message me and a lot of people tend to ask questions literally like 2 seconds after I send you guys the price list and everything that I have and all the characteristics. You guys just ask questions, and it bothers me a lot because I sent you all the information and you just decided not to read it. Now, I understand that the younger generations and most people these days have ADD, or they're just lazy, or maybe you come from another country and you don't understand what you're reading. So I'm going to explain it in video, and I'm going to link the video into the price list, and then you guys won't have any problems. So we have 3 packages. A package is not an amount. It's 3 different Flash characteristics. Now, the package number 1, which is the cheapest, it's a coin that looks like USDT. It is not USDT. The logo shows on Trust Wallet and MetaMask only, but it works best on Trust Wallet. It basically sends from one Trust Wallet to another without any problems. You don't have to add a custom contract or anything like that. And you get 10 million for the price of $250. It does not disappear, and it will not mix in with your original USDT balance, because original USDT balance is on TRC20 and this coin is on Bet20. So it only shows the logo, the USDT logo. You get 10 million and you can send it from one wallet to another, and it does not disappear. This is option 1, and it costs $250. Option 2 is more than one coin. BTC, USDT, USDC, and DAI. The logo shows on Trust Wallet for USDC, BTC, and DAI. USDT and USDC work on Binance also. They show in the spot wallet. The cost for this is $3,500. It can send from one Binance to another, from Binance to Trust Wallet to Binance. BTC and DAI only work on Trust Wallet. USDC works on Trust Wallet and Binance. USDT works on Binance. And the 4 of them also work on a wallet called Exodus. It's $3,500. You get an unlimited amount by logging into a platform, just like you would log into your email. You log into a platform, you get a membership for the $3,500, and you generate as much as you want whenever you want. So you don't get an amount by joining and getting access to the platform. You get access to the platform for $3,500, and that gives you the ability to create as much as you want whenever you want. You pay a gas fee. The gas fee doesn't come to me, it's to the network. It works on any 0x wallet, so Ethereum, Bet20, Avalanche, Polygon, Phantom, all the clones of Ethereum. It does not mix into your wallet because it's on a different USDT. When you send it to Binance, does not mix in with the USDT that you have because it's on a different chain. It's not TRC20. Again, this is package 2 and it's $3,500. Now we have package 3, which is USDT TRC20. You can trade it by basically taking a loan against it. So what you would do is, let's say you have $1 million, you send it to your Binance account, you can take 70% of that and trade and take out the profit. And if you have half a brain, then you can make a lot of money doing this. The cost for this is $7,500. Now, if you buy package 2 for $3,500, you only pay the difference. If you buy package 3, you get package 2 for free. When you buy package 3, you get 1 million USDT TRC20, which mixes in with your balance on Binance, on Trust Wallet, on Exodus, and works pretty much everywhere TRC20 is accepted. The idea behind the TRC20 package 3 is basically just like package 2. You get 1 million, and if you want more, you can log into a platform just like you would log into your email, and you can pay a network fee. It's a gas fee paid to the network. It varies from about $250 to $500 per 1 million. It changes up and down just like gas fees do for cryptocurrency. If you don't know what gas fees are, because you trade on an exchange normally, when you trade decentralized cryptocurrency, you pay a network fee. When you trade on an exchange, they put that network fee in the spread. I made this video to clear one thing up. And it really pisses me off when I have to explain this again and again and again. I don't like working with Indians. I don't like working with Pakistanis, Bangladesh, Sri Lankans, Nepal, Nigerians, Kenyans, Brazilians, Venezuelans. These nations don't share a race. They don't share a religion. They're not all black, they're not all white, they're not all brown. These nations are just countries I get a lot of messages from, and they never buy, ever. So imagine getting 2,000 messages a week from these countries. Especially Indians will fuck your brain asking you questions and then tell you to send it to them for free, or they'll do face-to-face meetings. Really, motherfucker, you're gonna get a visa to the United States, you're gonna fly out here, and you're gonna meet me in Los Angeles? First of all, I don't wanna meet you. Second of all, the chances of you getting a visa are close to zero. Third of all, why would I want to meet you? The idea of this is it's supposed to be online. I don't want to meet you. I don't want to see you. Isn't it enough that I'm showing my face? Making this video, and I'm kind of ranting because I literally had another like 7 or 8. And it's like 2 o'clock in the morning and these motherfuckers just don't stop. So anyway, I appreciate you guys watching this video. Thank you all so much. God bless you. Peace out. And my contact information is below.